Embarking on gourmet adventures in Tuscany is a culinary journey that unveils the fascinating world of truffle hunting. Tuscany, with its rolling hills and picturesque landscape, is renowned for producing some of the world's finest truffles. Truffle hunting experience offer a blend of nature, tradition, and gastronomy, providing enthusiasts with the opportunity to explore the lush countryside while discovering the secrets of this prized culinary treasure. The adventure typically began with a knowledgeable truffle hunter and their trained dogs, whose keen senses lead the way to these elusive gems hidden beneath the soil. The thrill of the hunt combined with the crisp air and the scent of the earth create a sensory experience like no other. As participants meander through the enchanting Tuscan forest, the truffle hunters share insight into the intricacies of truffle cultivation, emphasizing the symbiotic relationship between the truffle and the surrounding environment. The knowledge passed down through generation comes alive during these excursions, allowing participants to connect with the rich history and tradition of truffle hunting in Tuscany. The dogs, trained from a young age of detect the distinctive aroma of truffles, become trusted companions in the quest for these culinary treasures. Upon unearthing a truffle, the excitement is palpable. The moment when the truffle hunter carefully extracts the prized fungi from the soil is a celebration of nature's bounty. Truffle varieties, including the coveted white truffle and the earthy black truffle, are cherished for their distinct flavor and aromas. The hands on experience of finding truffles in their natural habitats adds a profound dimension to the culinary appreciation of these delicacies. Following the truffle hunt, participants often have the opportunity to savor the fruits of their labor in a delightful feast prepared by local chefs. Truffles, known for their ability to elevate the simplest of dishes, are showcased in a variety of culinary creation, from truffle infused pasta and risotto to gourmet omelettes and artisanal cheese. Each dish becomes a gastronomical masterpiece. The intimate connection between the land, the hunter, and the chef is evident in every bite, creating a memorable culinary experience that lingers in the sense. The journey extends beyond the forest and the dining table, offering participants a glimpse into the intricate world of truffle commerce. Truffle markets, bustling with activity, provide an opportunity to witness the trade and exchange of dense, precious fungi. The air is filled with the heady aroma of truffles as vendors proudly display their finds. This marketplace ambience adds a cultural layer to the gourmet adventure, connecting participants with the local economy and the significance of truffles in Tuscan cuisines. Participating in truffle hunting in Tuscany is not merely a culinary escape, it's cultural immersion that fosters an appreciation for the region's natural bounty and time honored traditions. The beauty of this gourmet adventure lies in the harmonious blend of nature, community, and the pursuit of culinary excellence. As participants return from the truffle filled fields to the warm embrace of Tuscana hospitality, they carry with them not only the tangible treasure of their hunt but also a deeper understanding of the intricate relationship between the land and the gastronomical delight it yields. In conclusion, truffle hunting in Tuscany is a gourmet adventure that combines the thrill of the hunt with the richness of culinary traditions. Amid the scenic beauty of Tuscan landscape, participants engage in a sensory exploration of nature's bounty. From the forest floor to the dining table, the journey offers an intimate connection with the art of truffle hunting, creating lasting memories of a unique and flavorful expectation in the heart of Italy.